Hi everybody, my name is Michael. Welcome to my channel. It's a new channel. I just want to start this channel just to go through my experience with owning a Tesla Model S and just go through the pitfalls and my experience of it and just share it with you guys so you guys don't have to go through the same thing. Also to open your minds to other possibilities, other things, news, updates, all that stuff. But anyway, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I started looking at Tesla about 15-16 years ago when it was just a rumor of a car company, two guys. One guy was originally, I forgot what his name was, but started, he was the, I guess, inventor, creator of the laptop battery, and then I hear about Elon Musk, who's the other partner in this. So I followed the company since back then. You know, every single news bit, you know, progress they made, I've been following for 15-16 years, and now finally comes to a head. My wait has always, I've always waited to basically wait until the right opportunity and right timing. And my timing was basically to get all three. And what I mean by all three is solar, battery, and car. So this is the right time. So I decided to pull the trigger. October last year, first started, got my Model S here, and then we're slated to have the battery and the solar installed in about a week or so. So this channel is going to be about integrating all three of those and my experience like I said, all the pitfalls of everything, what to think about, what you should think about before you deciding to go buy the electric car or the solar or the battery. I think the best way to do is go through all three of them. So that's and I'll tell you in each video as I go through this. I'm going to break it down why I made my decision, why it's the best decision for me, for myself and my family, and why it can make sense for you guys, you know, out there, because it's a lot of unknown questions and all, you know, a lot of stuff. I've been watching a lot of other YouTube channeler, you know, Teslanomics, to Now You Know with Jesse and Zach. I mean, those guys information, but I'm going to give you a little spin on my little take on why I did all three at the same time and waited until the technology and everything matured. And I think it's mature at this point to a certain point where I'm comfortable with making that decision. Now, this is technology, so it's always going to continue maturing and getting better and better and better, and that's going to be an awesome thing. So I'm going to wait and see. But for me, the decision was great at this point. So I decided to do everything. I'm very excited. I mean, just ecstatic right now and see what's the potential. However, you know, as I estimated, work with everybody in this Tesla company and stuff like that on designing the system and all that stuff for myself, everything's on paper. So the pudding is in, you know, is in testing it out. The pudding's in testing it out, and so we'll see as they install everything. I drive my car, you know, charging everything. We'll see how much I save, and to tell you the truth, it's not really even about saving. It's about, I'll be happy if I just break even with everything, the money. I don't have to spend money on charging and all that stuff. And, you know, and also the environment. I mean, I get to do something about environment where, you know, I'm switching on over. I'm a big proponent of this too. But at the same token, not just switching over to electricity, but, you know, as a primary for charging my car and all that stuff, but to also, you know, as you can see, Tesla's a damn good-looking car. Right? Let's face it, it's a damn good-looking car, and the battery, when you see it at the showroom, it's beautiful. They integrate everything, even the apps look awesome. So just very excited. So we'll see. So I invite you guys to come in, join me on this new channel. I don't know how it's gonna work out. I'm new to this, Lord knows. Gosh, man, I mean, I got a camera right now that I don't even, you know, it doesn't even have a microphone. So anyway, also anybody who's into this and have any suggestions for me, please, constructive criticism only, okay? Anyway, suggest how I make this channel better and stuff, please let me know. Comment. I'll leave like I said, I don't know how to do this just yet, but I'll leave some email, I guess, or something, a personal PM, personal message or something like that, where you can reach me and make suggestion, or you can just make suggestion down in the comment section, or if you have questions, I'll try to answer it. Like I said, I'm new to this, so be patient. Like I said, I just have my experience with reading a lot, following this company from day one, to watching a lot of the other channels, and they inspire me to share my story on this. So I mean, those guys got absolutely awesome channels and stuff like that, so I just want to share my story. So I invite you guys to come along for the ride. All right, until next time, take care.